Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to the ScienceNest YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to explain you the 2017 first term test paper in D.S.Senanayake College for grade 7 students. First of all, we will see the questions in part 1. First one, which is not a flowering plant? The answer is ferns. In Sinhala, we call them as Nivana. There are no any flowers in ferns. Second one, select the group of plants only with the fibrous root system. You should remember that the plants with fibrous root system have no branches, and also we call them as the monocot plants. Then the answer is answer number 2, grass, coconut and kithul palm. Those are the plants with fibrous root system. Third one, the function of climbing roots. There should have B letter, climbing roots. The function of climbing roots, answer number 3, help the stem to climb up. That is the function of climbing stems, climbing roots. Fourth one, the group of plants only with compound leaves. Compound leaves means the leaves like this. Thus the vein and small leaflets can be seen around the main vein. These are known as the compound leaves. Answer number 4, curry leaves, mara tree and kathuru murunga. Fifth question, main parts in a flower. Main parts are the fourth one. You can see the main parts: sepals, petals, gynoecium or androecium. These are the main parts of the flower. Sixth one, an instrument which is used to detect static electrical charges. Answer number 1, gold leaf electroscope. Seventh one, an instrument which is used to store static electric charges. Answer is capacitor. Inside the capacitor, we can store the static electric charges. Eighth one, the unit of measuring electric charges is the farad. The unit is farad. Ninth one, which is not a source of electricity. Answer is answer number 1, galvanometer. Current. And also we can find the direction of the current by using the galvanometers. 10th one, the standard unit of measuring electricity is, the standard unit of measuring electric current is asking here. Answer is answer number 1, ampere. 11th, the chemical known as battery acid. That chemical is diluted sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is normally known as the battery acid. 12th one, the body organ which produced urea is, answer is kidneys, but it is out of syllabus question. 13, the water, answer number 2, has not a definite shape but has definite volume. Because water is a liquid, it has no definite shape. Always the liquid takes the shape of the container. Liquids have a definite volume. We can measure the liquid volume by using the units milliliters, liters, likewise, and we use the instrument measuring cylinder to measure the liquid volumes. So answer number 2 is the correct answer here. 13, not a vertebrate animal. You know vertebrates are the animals with a backbone. Here, tortoise, snake and cat has got the backbone, but millipede has no any backbone. So answer number 1. 15, select the group of animals only with warm-blooded animals. No need to answer that, it's out of syllabus. 16th question, by acids, the answer is answer number 3, blue litmus turn to red. There's a way to remember that. That means BRT and BR. Means bases turn red litmus to blue. Bases turn red litmus to blue. ABR means acids turn blue litmus to red. Acids turn blue litmus to red. So answer number 3. Acids turn blue litmus to red color. Answer number 3. Next, 17th question. The boiling point of water. It is 100 Celsius. Next, the color of pH paper. It is yellow color. The group of animals only with invertebrates. Answer number 4. Dragonfly, earthworm. These animals have not got a backbone. 20. When two objects with similar charge bring together, similar charged objects, if we bring them together, we can see a repulsion. So answer number 3, a repulsion occur. Repulsion, the A should cut in here. Part 2, first question. You have prepared a field book as the first term science assignment. Write the parts of plant that you have used to prepare the above book. Here you have to write down some parts of the plants. You can write down leaves, flowers, like that. Name the part of a flower given below. Here A is the anther, B is the filament. Problem number 3. Name all the parts of the flower given below. This one is stigma, stamens, petals, sepals, pedicel. Some rice grains and green gram seeds are soaked and planted. Which is the monocot plant from the above plant? Monocot plants have no branches and it has got a fibrous root system. So here the rice grain is the answer. Rice is the plant we can consider as the monocot plant, because in rice plant, in paddy plant, no any branches can be seen. Which is the dicot plant from the above plants? You know, dicot plants have got branched stems. So here the answer is green gram. Next, write 3 differences between monocot and dicot plants in the given table. Monocot and dicot. In the monocot side, write down no branches. In dicot side, write down have branches. Next, again in monocot side, write down fibrous root system. In dicot side, write down tap root system. In monocot side, write down parallel venation. In dicot side, reticulate venation. Parallel venation means the venation like in the coconut plant. Reticulate venation means the veins like this. In the plants, the veins have situated like this. That is the reticulate venation. Problem number 6. Write 3 methods of propagation of seeds. Answers: by water. Propagation means spread. by wind and by animals. Seventh one, some plants that you found during a field visit were listed below. Centella means Gotukola, Sonaratia means Kirala, pepper, here the Sonaratia. Pepper, pandanus, orchid, ficus, that means nuga, mimosa, nidicumba are there. Answer the questions given below by using the above list of plants. A plant with aerial roots. The plant with aerial root is the orchid. It has aerial roots. A plant with respiratory roots is the Kerala. A plant with root nodules is the mimosa. Inside the root nodules, there are some bacteria to fix the nitrogen to the plant. The plant with crop roots is the pandanus, and the plant with stilt root is the nuga. Stilt roots have arisen from the branches, and the crop roots have arisen from the stem. Question number 2. Some materials can attract light objects after rubbing against some other materials. What are the types of static electric charges? Here, write down the two types you know. Positive charges and negative charges. Next one, what would be the observation when bringing charged ebonite rod towards the charged glass rod? You should know ebonite rod is charging with negative charges, while the glass rod is charging with positive charges. So these two attract each other. Positive and negative are attracting each other. The answer, attract each other. Always the unlike charges are attracting each other, while the like charges are repelling each other. Third one, complete the given table. Hanging rod and rod brought towards has given, and you should write down the observation. Always the same charges get repel and the unlike charges get attract each other. So here the glass and glass, the two things are charging with positive charges. So you can observe it is repelling. Ebonite is charging with negative charges, while glass is charging with positive charges. So the unlike both charges get attract each other. Ebonite, the two rods are attracting with negative charges. Same charges get repel each other. Problem number 4, write two phenomena in our day-to-day life related with the static electricity. One phenomena is lightning, viduli kettima. Next one is emitting tick sound when ironing clothes. When ironing clothes. Next one, what would be the observation when bringing another charged drinking straw towards the charged drinking straw in the above diagram? The two drinking straws are charging with the same charges, so they get repel each other. What would be the observation when bringing another charged polythene sheet towards the straw in the above diagram? These two things, that means the drinking straw and the polythene sheets, have got opposite charges, so they are attracting each other. Now the third question, electricity is very useful for us to make our lives comfortable. Write two uses of electricity: to cook food and to light bulbs. Problem number 2. A diagram of simple cell is given below. What are the materials used as electrodes? Here in the simple cell, the materials using as the electrodes are the zinc sheet and a copper sheet. Zinc and copper. Name the positive and negative electrodes. The positive electrode is the copper electrode and the negative electrode is the zinc electrode. Problem number 3. Write 2 weaknesses of the simple cell. One is it contains liquid. And the next one is inability to obtain current for a long period of time. Inability to obtain current for a longer period of time. Write 2 sources of electricity. One is dry cell, another one car battery. Plot the graph for the simple current against the time in the above space. You know the simple current is flowing into one direction. We call it as the direct current. This is the graph for that. What is the type of electricity produced by electrical cells? What is the type of electricity produced by the electrical cells? The answer is direct current. Fourth question. Water is one of the basic needs of man. Write 2 properties of water as a solvent, as a coolant. Next one. Write 2 uses of water. There are so many uses that we are taking from the water. One is to dissolve medicine. Another one is to remove dirt on clothes. Problem number 3. Complete the table given below by considering the solubility with water. Mark with tick in the relevant column. Sugar, you have to mark it with a tick to the dissolved well part. Sugar is dissolving well in the water. Tamarind is dissolved slightly in water. Salt is dissolving well in water. Kerosene oil is not dissolving in water. Oxygen is dissolving well in water. Problem number 4. Write an activity to prove that water has no definite shape. Write down the steps to that activity. Take vessels with different shapes and put the same volume of water to them. We can observe different shapes of water according to the shape of the container. These are the steps to that practical. The liquids take the shape of the container. Roman number 5. Complete sentences with the suitable words. Is a gas dissolved in water? Here the answer is oxygen. The type of sugar in the sap of sugarcane plant is sucrose. The water is used to cool down machineries because water acts as coolant. Next one is produced by evaporating seawater. Salt. Artificial vinegar is made by mixing acetic acid with water. Question number 5. Name 2 acids used at home. Answers are vinegar, lime juice. Name 2 bases used at home. And sodium bicarbonate. Name a natural substance we found at home. No need to answer that question. There's a mistake in that question. Roman number 4, A part. Name 3 natural indicators. Shoe flower boiled water. Extraction of giritilla. Alpha boiled water. Name 2 acids used in laboratory. Hydrochloric acid. Nitric acid. Sixth one. Mention the color change of the indicators given below. Red litmus. With the acids, the red litmus do not show any color change. With the bases, red litmus turn blue color. Blue litmus turn into red color with acids. And with bases, no any color change. With phenolphthalein, acids show the colorless. As phenolphthalein is colorless in acids. In bases, phenolphthalein is pink color. With acids, methyl orange is red color. With bases, methyl orange is yellow color. This is the end of our paper explanation. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel to watch more videos like this.